Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Math Teachers Modern English School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some questions of exercise 7B of class 9 chapter 7 of class 9 chapter lines and angles from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. Okay, so my first question is question number 3. In the adjoining figure, in this figure, AOB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. Find the value of x. Find the value of x, and hence find the angle AOC, angle COD, and angle BOD. And we know that the sum of all angles in the same side of the line AOB at the given point is 180. Okay, we know that the sum of all angles of the same side of the given line AOB at the given point O is 180 degree. So let's start solution. Here students, given angle AOC equal to 3x plus 7 degree. AOC equal to 3x plus 7 degree. Angle COD equal to 2x minus 19 degree. And the angle BOD equal to x degree. Okay. So we write angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle BOD. BOD equal to 180 degree. Okay, so put the value of angle AOC equal to 3x plus 7 degree, 3x plus 7 degree, plus angle COD equal to 2x minus 19 degree, and plus angle BOD equal to x degree equal to 180 degree. Remove the bracket. 3x plus 7 plus 2x minus 19 plus x equal to 180 degree. Okay, so add the x term, 3x, 2x and x, 3, 2, 5x and 1, 6x, and plus 7 and minus 19. Minus 19 or plus 7 equal to minus 12 equal to 180 degree. So this implies 6x equal to 180 degree plus 12 equal to 192 degree, and x equal to 192 by 6. 6 3 ja 18 and 6 2 ja 12. So x, find the value of x. The value of the x equal to 32 degree. X equal to 32 degree. Okay. Find the value of x. Hence the x equal to 32 degree. And find the value of angle AOC. AOC. Here a student, angle AOC equal to 3x plus 7 degree. 3x plus 7 degree. And put the value of x equal to 32 degree. So 3 minus 32 and plus 7. So 32 3 ja 96 and plus 7 103 degree. So the value of angle AOC equal to 103 degree, and the value of angle COD equal to 2x minus 90. So 2 multiply 32 minus 90. So 2 multiply 32 equal to 64 degree and minus 90. So 5 and 4, 45 degree. So the value of angle COD equal to 45 degree. Value of angle AOC equal to 103 degree, and the value of angle COD equal to 45 degree, and the value of angle BOD equal to x equal to 32 degree. Okay. Students, our next question is question number 7. In the adjoining figure, three coplanar lines AB, CD and EF. Three coplanar lines AB, CD and EF are the three coplanar lines intersect at a point O. All lines intersect the point O, forming angles. Okay. Find the value of x, y, z and t. X is the angle AOF, Y is the angle BOE, Z is the angle COE, and T is the angle AOC, and the angle BOD equal to 90 degree. Okay. So students, first of all कि AB is the line. Okay, AB is the straight line, and we know that the sum of all angles in the same side of the line AB at the given point O is 180 degree. For angle BOD plus angle DOF plus angle FOA equal to 180 degree. Okay, so let's first start solution. We know that sum of all angles of the same side of the line AB at the given point O is 180 degree. So we write the angle BOD plus angle DOF plus angle FOA equal to 180 degree. Okay, so angle BOD equal to 90 degree and angle DOF equal to 50 degree and plus angle FOA equal to X degree equal to 180 degree. So here find the value of X equal to 180 degree and 90 plus 50 140 equal to 40 degree. So the value of X equal to 40 degree. Okay, and next of students, line EF and BA is the two straight line intersect at the point O. So angle AOF equal to angle BOE by the vertical opposite angles. Okay, so we write the line AB and EF, lines AB and EF intersect at the point O. So angle AOF equal to angle BOE, that is the vertically opposite angle. So we write the angle AOF equal to 40 degree and angle BOE. So angle BOE equal to Y degree equal to 40 degree. So X equal to 40 degree and Y equal to 40 degree. So put the value of X equal to 40 degree and Y equal to 40 degree. Clear? And next find the value of Z and T. Okay. So CD is the line and we write CD is the line, CD is the straight line, CD is the straight lines, and we know that the sum of all angles of the same side of the line CD at the given point O is 180 degree. So we write the angle BOD plus angle BOE plus angle COE equal to 180 degree. So this implies angle BOD equal to 90 degree plus angle BOE equal to 40 degree plus angle COE equal to Z equal to 180 degree. Okay, so Z equal to 180 degree, 90 or 40, 130 minus 130 equal to 50 degree. So Z equal to 50 degree. Okay, Z equal to 50. So find the value of Z equal to 50 degree. Okay, and students, line CD and line AB intersect at the point O. Okay, for angle AOC equal to angle BOD, vertically opposite angle. So here angle AOC equal to 90 degree and otherwise EF is the line segment, EF is the line, EF is the line, and we know that the sum of all angles of the same side of the line EF at the given point given point O is 180 degree. So we write कि angle EOC plus angle COA plus angle AOF equal to 180 degree, and EOC equal to 50 degree, and COA equal to find करना है, COA equal to T degree, and angle AOF equal to 40 degree, X that is the 40 degree equal to 180 degree. So angle T equal to 180 degree and 40 of 50 90 minus 9 equal to 90 degree. So the value of the T equal to 90 degree. For students, the value of X equal to 40 degree, Y equal to 40 degree, Z equal to 50 degree, and T equal to 90 degree. Okay. Our next question number 8. 8 number question, 3 coplanar lines. 3 coplanar lines AB, CD and EF. So this is the line AB and CD and EF are the 3 coplanar lines intersect at a point O, that intersect at the point O. O point पर ये तीनों coplanar lines क्या कर रहा है, intersect कर रहा है. Find the value of F, X का value find करना है, and find the value of AOD, COE and AOE. That's very simple. Okay, so let's start solution. Students, AB line AB and CD intersect at a point O. Okay, then angle AOD equal to angle BOC, that is the vertically opposite angle. So angle AOD equal to angle BOC equal to angle BOC equal to angle AOD equal to 2x degree. So this angle equal to 2x. Okay. And students, EF is a straight line, and we know that the sum of all angles of the same side of the line EOF at the given point O is 180 degree. So we write the angle EOC plus angle COB plus angle BOF equal to 180 degree. So angle EOC equal to 5x plus COB equal to 2x and angle BOF equal to 3x equal to 180 degree. 5 or 2 7 3 10x equal to 180 degree, and 10 is cancelled, so x equal to 18 degree. So the value of x equal to 18. The value of x equal to 18 degree. For students, angle AOD equal to 2x, that is the 2 multiply 18 equal to 36 degree. For angle COE equal to 5x, so 5 multiply 18, that is the 90 degree. And angle AOE equal to AOE is the vertically opposite angles of the angle BOE. चूँकि PAB and EF are the two straight lines intersect at the point O. Okay, so angle AOE equal to angle BOF. So angle AOE equal to 3x degree by the vertically opposite angle. So AOE equal to 3x degree. So 3 multiply 18, 44 degree. Okay. So angle, the value of x equal to 18 degree, angle AOD equal to 36 degree, angle CO equal to 90 degree, and angle AO equal to 54 degree. Okay.